What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, I got a crazy video. This guy wanted to buy a $159,000 Hellcat with a super low credit score. Now, don't get me wrong. Anybody credit score can get low. Trust me. I've been there. I fought my way back, and I got my credit together. But, guys, you cannot buy a super expensive car with a super low credit score. They already stereotype us and make us seem like everybody who drives a Dodge has a very low credit score. This is what they say they deal with every time somebody comes in to try to buy a Hellcat. They make it sound like every single person has a super low credit score. But I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Let's listen to this guy. I mean, it's so hilarious. I mean, he's really acting like he's coming in there with an 800 credit score. So check this out.
All right, we're gonna be cold calling a customer that inquired about a Dodge Hellcat, one of the Black Ghosts.
Oh, it's a black ghost.
Hey Terry, this is Alex at Earth Motor Cars.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? Hey, just giving you a call about this 2023 Black Ghost Challenger that you inquired about, the one that's one of 300, and just seeing if you had any questions and what I need to do to earn your business.
See, this is what the salesman do with these. I don't know if he's a salesman. I think he's actually a finance guy. They try to make it something, oh, it's one of three. Like, that's going to change what somebody's willing to pay for it. That doesn't matter, man. I mean, it does, but it doesn't.
Yeah, man, I have been looking at cars like that before. This is Alex from Earth Motor Cars.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my nephew watches you on Instagram, TikTok.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Moving merch or something.
Yeah.
He watches those videos, and he's local, so he been in y'all shop and everything. See all the Mopars and everything y'all got.
Yeah.
So,
Would you be paying cash or finance in this car?
See, that's the number one thing you don't even need to answer right there. You don't have to answer that question. You always wait, try to get the price of the car and see what kind of discounts they offering. You never have to tell them how you gonna pay for the car up front.
this particular one, I'm gonna be financing.
Okay, awesome. And how much money were you planning on putting down, and what's your credit like?
And see, you don't have to tell them all that, man. See, when you start giving out too much information, that's when they start playing with the numbers.
What can you do for me on the car? I see online that car was listed at like 140,000 or something.
Yeah, 158.9 it's online for. Again, there's only 20 miles on it, and it's one of 300. Terry, I'll be honest with you, I don't want to negotiate against myself. I definitely have some room in it to work on it. But, you know, I want to get to the credit application first, make sure that we're good to go with the banks and whatnot. And
Now, see, a lot of times, like especially nowadays, when you're dealing with a car that costs that much, they always want to run your credit. And with all the fraud going on, at first I would be completely against that. Some people still are, but a lot of times they're doing that to make sure you ain't scamming and to make sure you're a person that's going to actually buy the car, because they're not going to let you test drive it.
go from there. Does that work with you?
Yeah, I mean, whatever gets me to the car, like.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, if I like it, if the numbers sound good, then I'm gonna leave that car. I'm gonna leave with that car. So,
okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Do you know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance, just before we do a credit application?
He talking big, like he really got the bread.
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400, 440.
Hey, hold on.
450.
Hold on. Now, I'm not laughing at him, but bruh calling up there like, man was calling up that joint like he got like 9,000 down. He got a 820 credit score. Bro said 400, 450. Did he say 450 like that? Slim said 450 like that's a big difference from 400. Come on, man. This is about a trip.
You're saying
you can't keep it straight.
You're saying it was. I'm sorry. You said 400.
I mean, I understand, but it happens.
Yeah, you asked for the credit score, so I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's no problem. Do you know how much money you were planning on putting down?
150,000.
I mean, for something like the vehicle that I'm interested in, probably something like 10, 15,000. I can come up with that for sure. Like, money ain't a problem, so.
Nah, bro, that ain't gonna get it.
Yeah, let me look at this again. I mean, I'll be honest with you, Tara. I'm just gonna be blunt. You'd probably have to go the lease route with it, and probably.
How you gonna lease a car with a 400 credit score? Nah, now he just wasting time. There's no way you're gonna be able to lease anything with a 400 credit score. I don't care what it is. You're not leasing a car with no 400 credit score.
Minimum 20% down.
You saying like that? I'm gonna have to lease this car. Is what you're saying?
With
wow.
To get to where you want to be, money down, yes, sir.
But let me tell you something, Alex. Like I bought cars like this before, and I ain't never had to lease nothing. Like if I'm gonna buy the car, I'm gonna own it. That's what I'm saying. So
no, I get what you're saying. I mean, if you're
trying to do for this vehicle,
yeah, if you were financing, it'd still be the banks, technically speaking.
That's true though. You know, a lot of people feel like, okay, I ain't gonna lease, so I'm gonna finance. Bro, it's the same thing at the end of the day, for real. Now, there's a lot more restrictions with a lease, but if you financing that car, especially something like that, you pushing 84 months minimum. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's some dealerships like Mercedes, they do 96 months. But, bro, you don't own that car until you pay it off. And at least with a lease, if you decide you don't want it, you can't afford it, you can give it back. Or if you decide you want to keep it, you can finance the rest of the lease, but the remaining balance of the lease. Sometimes you can buy it and then sell it and make money. But I'll do a separate video about that.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I never had to do anything like this with my previous cars. Like I got a Bentley Continental, and I ain't had to do nothing like that.
Okay.
So
how is it? A older car? Was it a less expensive one than 158? Or
I mean, I don't know what you mean by less expensive. It's a Bentley, but I mean, it's a 2008 Bentley Continental. But
2008, man,
okay.
Them guys don't go from what you put on there.
Like,
yeah, them Jones cheap.
I just want to get into this car.
I got you. Yeah, that's no problem. I mean, you said money wasn't an issue, so would you be able to come up with that 60% down?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that, man. I mean, I feel like you can make it happen with $15,000-$20,000 down.
Nah, we can't make it happen.
If you're trying to get my business, then that's what we don't have to do. But
I mean, I credit the guy. I mean, at least he is standing on business, but he really don't have any leverage. Not with a 400 credit score. I mean, I understand he doing right for us as negotiating, but not with a 450 credit score.
I'm gonna just keep walking and find another car somewhere else. I came to you because of my nephew. Like I feel like I can buy a car like this anywhere else. It's a Hellcat. It ain't nothing crazy, but
it is something crazy.
With my credit and everything, I feel like that shouldn't be an issue to my business. Like I'm ready here to buy the car. So
okay. All right, well, I'll do that. I'll send you a credit application if that works with you, and then we can just go from there. Does that sound good?
Yeah, man, just send it. We figure something out. So.
Okay, Terry. All right, brother. Well, I appreciate you very much.
We figure something out.
All right, Terry. Bye.
That dude funny as a mug. Wow.